Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Uh,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
How are
morning.
you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
I'm much better seeing you all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Good, good, good. Very good. I'm fine now. I'm better. I'm better.
Good morning, ma'am. How
Good
are
morning.
you now? I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, bache. I'm good. I'm very good. Let's wait for your friends. Okay? Let's wait for your friends. I know you must have missed me because I have missed you. Did you miss me? And I got many lovely messages from all of you. I got many lovely messages from all of you. Arhan, thank you so much for taking care of the
How
class.
are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. And everyone
How
was,
are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good, bache. Don't worry. I'm absolutely fine. Take care of yourselves as well. And the Aryan legs down. Aryan legs down. And you're supposed to wear long pants, trousers, or lowers, full length lowers, no shorts. You know that. Don't forget. Okay, good. Let me see how many are present. Okay. So there are 15 students as of now. Let's see how many come up quickly. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning.
How
Good
are
to see you all.
you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, Arvi. Good morning, Trisha. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Good.
I miss you, ma'am.
I missed you all too. I missed you all.
Ma'am, I also miss you.
Yeah, even I too. Charvi is showing me something. What are you showing me, Charvi? That's a cap. Okay. Thank you, Shanvi. Nice. Parv, see, I'm back. Hello, Parv. Naisha, keep your camera on. Angel, keep your camera on. Ritisha, can you cover the window behind you? Cover the
तो हम
window
लोग गाँव
behind
में
you.
हैं।
Close the window.
दादाजी के घर पर हूँ आज।
मैम हम गाँव में हैं मैम, इसलिए थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होएगा 3-4 दिन।
नो प्रॉब्लम। आप बस ऐसी जगह पे बैठिए कि पीछे कर्टन या फिर वो खिड़की का लाइट ना आए, बिकॉज उसका
मैम ये अभी मकान ही कंप्लीट मकान नहीं हुआ है, और
मैम
जहाँ पे रहते हैं हम लोग
दीवार की तरफ फेस उसका पीठ कर
चारों
दीजिए।
तरफ मैम खुला।
बस बस
ऐसे
बस
करो।
ठीक है। हाँ हाँ हाँ
ऐसे 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 घूमो मिशु, ऐसे वेरी गुड, ऐसे
हाँ।
बस।
Yes, yes, this is better. So that I can see Ritisha, right? I can see Ritisha properly. Okay? Yes.
दिख रहे हो ना?
Mic off
ये
कर
आपकी
दीजिए.
books-
Keep your mics off. हाँ. Okay, there are 17. I can see the strength of the class is reducing. Why so? पहले पहले तो मेरे क्लास में सारे बच्चे आते थे ना, है ना? फुल अटेंडेंस होती थी ना? Good morning, Angel. They are coming. Sarah is coming. Okay. Whose mic is on? I cannot hear you properly. Okay, good. So, now all of you, join your hands and close your eyes quickly. Most of you are here. Most of you are here. It's already 9:35. Join your hands and close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Satwe, close your eyes. Satwe, close your eyes. Okay, Liana, quickly open your camera. Join your hands, close your eyes. Angel, close your eyes. Rub your hands. Rub your palms. Close your eyes. Wipe your face. Keep your eyes closed. Slowly open your eyes. Again, you know what is to be done. What is to be done? Yes. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it up. Stretch it up. Pura खींचो. पूरी आलस निकाल दो. All the morning blues out, out, out. Yes. Stretch yourself. Yes. Sit straight like a smart kid. Very good. Very good. All smartly. All right. Very good. So now we will start our class. Okay. So first class is of Monday morning, mathematics. Okay. All ready with your maths books and copies? All ready with your maths book and copies? Very good. Your copies are also ready, Sarah Khan. Look in front of the camera. Sit straight. Yes. Take out your books and copies. Good. All right. So today we will learn about, okay, good, Nishant, good. Keep it down. Open. Okay, yes. Everybody take out with your books and copies. जिन्होंने नहीं निकाला है. Yes, good, good, Aryan, good. Very good. Now, we have done already, we have done addition and subtraction, addition, right? Today, we are going to do subtractions, okay? We're going to do subtractions. Naisha, your camera is off, darling. Keep your camera on.
Page number बताइए.
Ritisha, first and foremost, no speaking in Hindi. You will wait and you will listen, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Mic off and pay attention. I will speak everything. Naisha, are you there in the class or not? If you're there in the class, please open your camera quickly or I'm putting you in the waiting room, dear. Quickly, Naisha Ummat. Yes, you're late. Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay, are you happy to see me? I promised to come back, so I promised. I kept my promise. Okay, so open page number 4646. Open page number 4646 of your Together with Mathematics book. Of your Together with Mathematics books, page 4646. Mic's off, Trisha. Right. Your fingers on the book. Your fingers on the book where I'm reading. Okay? Keep your book open. Your fingers on the book where I'm reading. I will explain you. You will listen carefully. I will explain you and you will listen carefully. Angel, are you still sleeping?
Page कौन सा है?
Trisha, you're not following me. Trisha Wada, you're not following me. I said open page 4646. Open page 4646. Please pay attention. I am repeating 3 times at least. I am repeating 3 times. Please, ध्यान से सब सुनिए. I will not repeat in Hindi. I will only speak in Hindi in the Hindi period. All right? Okay, good. So far there are 20 students. All right. So the first point which I'm going to read out is, keep your finger over here on the first point. On the first point, all of you keep your finger. Trisha, I hope you are following me. Ritisha, follow. Keep the finger on the first point over here. Okay. So now you all can see me properly. Okay. The first point says, this is all about subtractions. There are some rules. There are some rules, my dear children, which we follow when we do mathematics. Okay. So right now we are learning about subtraction facts. Subtraction rules. Okay. So what we should follow when we subtract or minus. Minus means take away. Take away. Okay. If I have 5 fingers with me, okay, 5 fingers with me, and you ask me to, if you ask me to close 2 fingers, that means I have taken away 2 fingers. How many fingers are remaining now? 3. Okay, that means I have taken away 2 fingers. The remaining is 3. Remaining means jo bach gaya. All right. Yes, so this means we have minus, we have subtracted these 2 fingers. All right, so now we are going to read about these facts. One by one. Aryan Dashputre, keep your book on the table. Do not listen anywhere else. All ears onto the screen, all eyes onto the screen, fingers on your book. Sit straight, fingers on your book. First point, by subtracting 1 from a number, Trisha. If you go here and there, how can you follow me? Okay, by subtracting 1 from a number, we get the previous number. We get the previous number. Means when we are subtracting, that means we are taking away. And if we are subtracting 1, from any number, that will give me the number before. You have all learned now, before, after, between. You all know before, after, between. You all know. If you know, then show me a thumbs up. If you all know, then show me a thumbs up. Very good. Excellent. Yes. So if I write 5 minus 1, it gives me what? It gives me the before number. What comes before 5? What comes before 5? Show me with your fingers. Show me with your fingers. Yes. Excellent, children. It is 4. Okay. So 4 is coming before 5. All right. Aryan. Yes, Aryan. What is it? Did I say to write? Did I ask you? I said I'm explaining. I said I am explaining. You do not have to write. You just have to keep your finger on the book. Keep your finger. Aryan. Shall I tickle you? Aryan, shall I tickle you? What do you mean by tickling? Tickling matlab gudgudi karoon? So take your finger and keep it on the book where I'm reading. All right? All right? Yes. Now read with me. All of you, read with me. Don't open your mic, just read with me. Subtracting 1 from a number, we get the previous number. we get the previous number. Naisha, read. Parv, read. Angel, read. Ritisha, read. You have to read. Read it, read it. Read it loudly. Read it loudly. By subtracting 1 from a number, we get previous number. We get the number before it, right? If we are subtracting 9 minus 1, what will we get? What will we get? Quickly, by your fingers. By your fingers. Show me by your fingers. Yes. We get 8. So this is number before 9. Okay. It comes before 9. Now is it clear? Now is it clear? Good. All right. Now the next point. Your finger on the second point. Keep your fingers on the second point. Excellent. Second point. And read aloud with me. Don't open your mic. Read aloud. Okay? When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. The difference is 0. Okay? That means when we are subtracting any number from itself, if we are subtracting any number from itself, that is 5 and minus 5, that is same number gets subtracted, we get nothing. There is no subtraction done. No subtraction, because if we take away, if we are having 4 pens with me, or let's say 5 pens with me, okay? If we are having 5 pens with me and I am giving you all the 5 from me, okay, I'm taking away all the 5. What is left with me? What is? 0. Yes, nothing is left with me. Oh, how will I write on the board now? How will I write on the board? Because I have given all the 4 or 5 markers to you all. Okay, now give me all the 5. Now I'm taking away all the 5 markers from you all. Okay, and here I get all the 5 markers. Now I can write, right? Now can I write? Yes. So I got back all the 5 markers. Now you have 0 markers. You don't have any markers. Arey, Deshant is having a marker.
I go to
Who's this?
me. I go to washroom.
Who is this? Name yourself. Angel. Angel Jan, you go to the washroom quickly, but remember, no one will go to the washroom while the class is on. Go fast and come back soon. Keep your cameras on so that I can see you're coming back. Okay? No one will go while the class is on. When the class, I will give you the break, then you can go for the bio break. Bio break means, what do you mean by bio break? Bio break means going to the washroom, okay? Having some water, right? That is called bio break. What is it called? A new term you learned today. New word. What is this new word? Bio break. Bio break means going to the washroom, having some food, drinking some water, taking a break. Right? I will explain you what is bio break in the DCS period. Will you remind me? Charvi, sit straight. Charvi, sit straight. Will you remind me? Okay. What do you mean by bio break? Will you remind me in the DCS period? I will explain you then in the third period. Okay. In the third period, I will explain you what is bio break. Okay, right now, let's move ahead with the third point. The third point says subtracting 0 from a number. Subtracting 0 from a number means no subtraction. No subtraction. The difference is the number itself. The difference is the number itself. When we subtract a number, that is 6 minus 0. Can you all see? 6 minus 0 gives you a 0. Oh, sorry, a 6. That means there has been no subtraction, right? If I have 5 pens with me, okay, and I take away 0, how much do I left? How much do I have? 5. Yes, Nishant. Good. Yes, we have 5. I have 5 markers. Okay. Naisha Umat, your camera is off again. Okay, she's having some network issue. Okay, fine. All right. So then we are subtracting 0 from any number. 0. Then there is no subtraction. Who's speaking? Aryan is speaking. What is Aryan speaking? I can't hear you. Aryan, beta, what are you speaking? I cannot hear you. Not clear. Anyways, fine. So 0 means there is no subtraction happening, no subtraction done. Nothing is minus. 0 means nothing. You all know 0 means nothing. So when we are subtracting 0, that means no subtraction. So you have to learn all these 3 points. Learn all these 3 points, okay? I will listen it tomorrow in the DCS period. Okay? I will listen these 3 points tomorrow in the DCS period, in the third period. Will you all remember? Sure? Pakka? Pakka pakka, kacha pakka? Kacha pakka or pakka pakka? Pakka pakka, kacha kacha? Okay, good, good, good. So you all are enjoying the class, I believe? Okay, good, lovely. Enjoy your class, learn while you're enjoying. Have fun and learn, always, okay? Always learn with fresh mind and active mind, all right? Okay, fine. What happened to Aryan Dashpatre? Why is your camera off, dear? All right, now go to page number 42. I will show you something. Go to page number 42. 4242. Page number 42. Right? This is a very simple thing. This is a very simple thing. Subtraction means you all have understood by this. These are the facts. Now I will tell you about what happens in the number line. Now, can you see the board properly? Then tell me. Okay? All right? Oh God, my marker is not working properly. Great.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, dear. Okay. So first is one. What happened to the markers? They are not working. They're in a bad mood today. Yay! It's working. Can you see now? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. No mics on. All mics off. Satvik, who is disturbing you? Tell me who is disturbing you. मैं उसकी भी class ले लूँ जरा. Tell me who is that?
My brother.
आओ बुलाओ जरा. Let me take his class. Let me take his class today with class 1. Okay? चलो Satvik, pay attention. Satvik, pay attention बेटा. Don't get disturbed. ठीक है? घर में चीजें होती रहेंगी, घर में आसपास आपके अपने लोग रहेंगे, बट यू विल नॉट गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड. ठीक है? डोंट गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. आप घर में हैं, आप सुरक्षित हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, घर में आसपास जो भी हो रहा है होने दीजिए. आपका फोकस नहीं हिलना चाहिए मुझसे. मैं पूरी ध्यान से आपकी तरफ ध्यान दे रही हूँ ना. सो यू विल ऑल्सो लुक एट मी एंड नोवेयर एल्स. ओके, पे अटेंशन एवरीवन. Yes, Mr. Aryan Dashpatre, what do you want to ask? Yes. अरे अभी आपकी आवाज आ रही थी, फिर कहाँ गायब हो गई? हाँ, कस के बोलो. हाँ, जब मैं बोलूंगी तब लिखना है. ये देखिए ना, नीचे है ना यहाँ पे. ठीक है, लेकिन मैं भी समझा रही हूँ. जब मैं कहूंगी राइट, देन यू विल राइट. When I will say to write, then you will write, not now. Okay? First understand, I know you all are very smart. I know you all are very smart. That's very good. But right now, you have to just pay attention. All right. So in this counting, what was I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was moving forward, right? I was counting forward. Forward means aage. But in subtraction, we count backwards. What do? We count backwards. Aryan, sit straight. Hold your hands and sit straight. All alert. Attention. Attention. Sit straight. Backbone straight. Parv. Parv Sharma, what you have to erase so much? Parv? Parv, can you hear me? I got it. I understood. Okay, I understood. But pay attention right now, beta. Okay. So in minus, what do? We are going backwards. If we are counting backwards, that means we are subtracting. Now listen over here. Pay attention. All eyes on the screen. All eyes on the screen. All eyes on the screen. Yes, very good. Yes, आंखें चारवी घुस जाएंगी उंगली. Don't. All right. So when I say 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2 in this number line, we go backwards. This is 1, 2, right? We are going 9 minus 2, we are going backwards. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 7. Okay? That means we are going backwards. We are subtracting 2 out of 9. 2 out of 9. There are 9 mangoes and I'm subtracting 2. I'm taking away 2. Okay? So we get 7. So like this, we are moving backwards. If I say 6 minus 4. If I say 6 minus 4, that means 6 is over here. Nobody will open the mic. No one will open the mic. Show me with your fingers. Show me with your fingers. 6 minus 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 2. Okay? So like this, we are going backwards. Very good, children. 2 like this, not like this. Nishan, this is 3. Yes, this is 2. Okay. Right? Sarah, are you paying attention? Sarah, are you paying attention? 2. Yes. Okay. Shanvi, this is what? This is a glass. It's a tumbler. Ready? Steady. Light. Camera. Action. Okay. Fine. So, this is how we are going backwards. All right? Now you understood what is a number line. This is called a number line. This is a number line. And we are counting backwards in this number line. Okay? Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? Excellent. Angel understood? Inaya understood? Naisha, Liana, Vihan, Parv understood? Yuktakshar? Good. Very good. Shanvi, क्या बात है? Thumbs up थोड़ा और नजदीक ला के दिखाइए. Very good. Beautiful thumbs up. Good, good, good. All right. Excellent. So now we are having 7 minutes. Okay. Now you can start completing this work over here. You can start writing the backward counting from 20 to 0. Start. Ready? Steady. Go. Pick up your pencils. Start writing from here. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Array, am I saying correct? No one will help. No parents will help. Children will do it by themselves. They know it. No parents are going to help. Ritisha, do it yourself. Don't translate in Hindi. Yes, Liliana?
मैम मैंने ये पहले ही कर लिया था.
I can't understand what you're saying.
मैम ये मैंने पहले ही कर लिया था.
I am still not able to understand. I'm still not able to understand. What language you are speaking, Liana?
Hindi.
Acha? But Hindi is to be spoken in Hindi class, na? In maths class? Nishant, please, no mics on. Liana, in maths class, we speak about numbers and numbers in English. So please speak in English. If you have done, it's good. Speak in English. Aryan, sit properly.
I have done 20 to 0.
Very good. Excellent. This is how you should speak. Excellent, Liana. Okay? I told you many times, all of you. Okay, Nishant, I knew that you must have done. Very good. All right. All of you finish this work. Then, after this, you can take a bio break of 10 minutes because the next class will start after 10 minutes. All right? So you can take your bio break. Now, I am going to use this word frequently so that you remember this word. This is a new word for you. And I'm going to explain this word, the meaning of the term in the third period. So let me see how many of you come back in the third period to learn this new word. How many of you will come back in the third period? All of you? Sure? Sure? All right. There's one absent. Who is absent? There's one student absent. Who is that? Vihan, where are you looking? Have you finished working? Angel, Liana, Aryan, Sarah, Ritisha, Nishant always wears his t-shirt, yellow t-shirt. What happened to today, Nishant? Risha also wears her yellow t-shirt. What happened to today? These names which I have taken, you have to wear your school dress, your school t-shirt at least. Get your school t-shirt and wear it regularly, please.
Ma'am, because I am coming
Sorry? Your
today's dirty t-shirt.
did not
My
get.
school t-shirt is dirty.
Okay. So it was taking a Sunday holiday on Sunday, na? It was having fun on Sunday, I believe. Your school t-shirt was having fun on Sunday. That is why it was playing outside in the rain, है ना? It was playing. The
Yes.
school t-shirt was playing outside in the rain. That is why it got dirty. So please take care of your school t-shirts. Do not play with it in the rain. Keep it neat and clean. This is rainy season, so you have to make it dry. Aryan, keep your book down. Parv, keep your book down. Aryan, sit down. And don't keep on popping out of your seat every time. Don't keep out jumping from your seat. Aryan, you are not supposed to speak in Hindi. If you speak in Hindi, next time I'm not going to hear you. I'm not going to listen whatever you all are saying. If you speak in English, then only I'm going to listen you. Okay, so now only... Yes, Aryan? Very good, Aryan. Good boy. I know most of you have done. If you all have done, raise your hands like this. Raise your hands like this. If you all have done. Okay, good, good, good. Well done. Inaya is still doing. Ritisha done. Trisha done. Good, good, good. Inaya, do it fast. Hanishi done. Good. Excellent. Now let's meet in the next period. I'm going to make you do the writing work in maths. Open your maths copies, keep it on your table. We will do writing work, the class work in your maths copies. Okay? So keep your books aside and open your maths copies. Take your 5-10 minutes break and all of you join back again. All right? Bye.